हो गया स्टार्ट। मेरे को बहुत भूख लग रहा है। Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I've been wanting to start with YouTube videos since a really long time and I'm finally doing this. Those of you who are watching me for the first time, I'm Rajni Khaitan, a content creator, and I create content about fashion, lifestyle, beauty and jewelry. My Instagram handle is theclickchic and don't forget to follow me there. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So my favorite season is finally here, that is winters, and one of the major reasons why I love winters is because of the winter dressing. So today's video had to be about winter shopping haul. I recently visited Max Fashion and I was super amazed to see the winter collection there. I shopped my heart out and I thought why not do a winter shopping haul. So I'm going to show you all the products that I bought one by one and I'm going to attach the link of the products in the description box. And the best part is that all the products are super pocket friendly and almost all the products are below 1000 rupees. So the first product that I've bought is this camel sweater. And this is for $9.99 and trust me guys, it's so comfortable and cozy and I absolutely love the neutral color. The next one is this olive green peg pant for just rupees $8.99 and look at the detailing here. The best part is that it can be teamed up with a casual as well as formal wear. Next is this really warm muffler and this was for around $5.99. And the next product that I bought is a must have for everyone and guess what are they? Those are white shoes. This one has gold detailings here and this one is for $14.99. So I teamed up all the neutral colors to create this final look and I love how it turned out. Then we have this mid-length dress which comes with a detachable belt and it has got slits here and this one is for $9.99. And next is this black muffler for around $5.99 and this is an investment piece. Trust me when I say this, it literally goes on anything and everything. I teamed up the dress and the muffler together to create a cozy winter day out look. Next is this typographic print sweatshirt which reads living my best life, which I am. And this one is for $9.99. Next is this checked leggings for $9.99. This fits super amazingly and is super light as well. Another one from my purchase is again a neutral muffler and this one is for around $5.99 and you can use it however you want. Next we have this super cute beanie for just rupees $4.99. I teamed up all the neutrals together and I think this look is something which all of you can carry. My next purchase is this green sweatshirt and the color is already giving me Christmas vibes. And this one says text me not. You know who you are, so you better don't. This one is genuinely one of the best trekkings I've ever had. You can carry the sweatshirt and the trekkings with a crossbody bag and add on a muffler to keep yourself cozy. What more? Oh yeah, even the outfit that I'm wearing is from Max. This pink fuzzy sweater and this denim. Next is the product on which I'm sure you guys must be having your eyes since a long time. And that is the red puffer jacket. This one is sure to keep you super warm and super stylish as well. And then we have another beanie and this one is red in color. This one is again for $4.99 and I love this. To create color blocking, I teamed up the red jacket with pink sweater and it's a perfect stylish look for traveling. I hope you guys like this video and all the outfits that I bought from Max. They have some crazy discounts online and you can choose everything from the comfort of your home. So I hope you guys liked this video and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, keep getting clicked and stay chic. Bye. हो गया start. मेरे को बहुत भूख लग रहा है. Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry. The next product that I've bought is and then we have this check denim which is for $8.99 and I absolutely love it. Next I've got this